Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ever wished you could play Clash of Clans on your PC? Imagine those epic battles on a much bigger screen, with more comfortable controls and no worries about battery life. It's totally possible, and it's simpler than you might think. We're here to walk you through the easiest way to bring your Clash of Clans experience to your desktop, letting you enjoy the game in a whole new light. The secret weapon for playing Clash of Clans on your computer is something called an Android emulator. Think of an emulator as a special program that lets your PC act just like an Android phone or tablet. It sets up a virtual environment where you can download and run all your favorite mobile apps, including Clash of Clans, seamlessly. This powerful tool brings the entire Android ecosystem directly to your desktop. So, which emulator should you pick? There are a few fantastic options out there. BlueStacks is probably the most well-known, and it's very user-friendly, offering great performance for games. But don't overlook Nox Player or LD Player. Both are excellent choices and often praised for their speed and smooth gameplay. You can easily find the one that best suits your computer and preferences, making your setup process a breeze. Getting your emulator up and running is surprisingly straightforward. Just head over to the official website of the emulator you've chosen, like BlueStacks or LD Player, and download the installer. Once downloaded, simply run the file and follow the clear on-screen instructions. After the installation finishes, you'll just need to sign in with your Google account, just like you would on a new Android phone, and you're almost ready to go. Now for the fun part. Once your emulator is ready and you're logged into your Google account, simply open the Google Play Store from within the emulator itself. Search for Clash of Clans, hit that download button, and install it just like you would on your phone. Then, log in with your existing Supercell ID or Google Play Games account to load up your village, and get ready to enjoy Clash of Clans on your PC in a whole new, immersive way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.